What's up, everybody? I'm Danny DeVries with Origins TV, and today I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy installation process of these brand new seats from bassboatseats.com. Replacing your seats and making your boat feel new has never been easier. Today, we're going to be giving this 1996 Skeeter a full seat makeover, starting with brand new fold-down fishing seat, a new front pedestal seat, and adding these brand new seats for the driver, passenger, and center seating area. Before you order your seats from bassboatseats.com, you will need to measure the seating area width, as well as the depth and the height of the back wall from the base of the seating platform to the top. If your boat has side storage compartments, you will need to measure the width and depth at the base of the seating area in between the storage compartments. If your boat has a designated area for a third seat or a built-in center console, you will need to measure the width of each seating area individually. This Skeeter bass boat has side storage compartments, a designated platform for a center seat, as well as underseat storage. So we'll be measuring the depth of each seat place, the width of each seat platform, as well as the overall width of the seating area between the side storage compartments. For this boat, our overall width of the seating area is 57 inches, and the individual seating area platforms is 22. So we're going to be installing the bass boat seat interior too. All interior kits do not include a seat pedestal, but do come with the option of replacing the front Lean Pro seat with a second folding boat seat. For this install, we went with the standard options, which include a Lean Pro seat for the front and a folding seat for the back. The screws for the front pedestal seat and the back folding seat will be located at the bottom of each seat, so all you have to do is unthread the screws, grab your mount, and screw it back into your pedestals, and your seats are ready for fishing. The seats in the main seating area of this boat come in two separate pieces. The bottom cushion comes with two hinges already mounted into the seat with a box of screws for securing the hinge to the seating platform. If your platform does not already have holes that line up with the provided hinges, you will want to drill pilot holes before mounting each seat. Once the seat is secured, you're ready to mount the back of the seat. The back seat cushion has a removable center pad where you will find the mounting holes to secure it to your boat. If your boat has under-seat storage, you will want to check the height of your back seat before mounting it in place to ensure easy access to the storage compartment below. Once you have reached the desired height, you will fasten the seat with the provided screws and replace the center cushion by applying firm pressure to the top and bottom of the pad until the Velcro back has a secure bond. To mount the passenger side seat, you will simply repeat these steps. The center seat on this kit comes in one solid piece with a single hinge and provided screws, so all you need to do is mark the desired mounting location and secure the seat. BassBoatSeats.com offers seats for all types of applications, and each seat is backed by an unbeatable 6-year warranty. Make your boat look new again with the easy install seats from BassBoatSeats.com. To find out which seats are right for you, go to BassBoatSeats.com.